What's up, guys? Jordan here, J&Rs Garage. Back again, back at it. Another video on the Dodge Charger rebuild. Today we are actually going to reassemble everything. The bumper, the fender, headlight, get that all assembled, get it put back together, and get it ready for its final inspection. Alright, let's do it. What's up, guys? So I just got the rest of this bumper reassembled. All these inside plastic pieces. There's 6 or 7 of them. It was a little bit more tricky than I thought since I actually didn't take it all apart. It was all broken when I got it. I didn't take it apart, so I didn't know how it went back together. But anyways, it's back together now and it looks pretty sweet. Check it out. Okay, so we got the Charger basically buttoned the rest of the way up. We got the bumper all reassembled and everything. The last step now is to go and get the windshield replaced. There's a big crack in it. It can't go through an inspection with a big cracked windshield. So normally I got a mobile guy that will come out and he'll do the windshield here and I'll help him. He shows up with the windshield and the urethane and all the stuff that we need, and we usually just knock it out together. But he's busy, so this time we're going to take it in to a place in the city. We'll get the windshield done there, and then straight from there it's going to go to the inspection station where everything's done, so it should pass, and then the next time you see it, it should be done and plateable and roadworthy, and then hopefully we can start some fun stuff. So yeah, alright, let's do it.